Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 79 Z28 Camaro. It's numbers matching LM1 350, 4-speed with T-tops. Yes, this is a unicorn. Factory red with gray interior. Gorgeous car. The car that my generation all wanted as they graduated high school. This is the original motor. It's been completely frame off restored. And it is a show car, and it has won multiple awards. This little car runs and drives so strong. It's got the Hurst shifter in it, factory 4-speed, aftermarket odometer gauges, beautiful custom interior. It's done right. Incredible paint and show quality. Tilt, manual windows, power door locks, AM FM stereo. The car is absolutely gorgeous inside and out. Of course, the elusive red with T-tops, 350 and a 4-speed. That's the car everybody wanted in high school. It's got Scorpion centerline wheels on it. What an awesome car. It's been completely frame off restored. The frame was painted gray. Firewall MSD ignition. What a beautiful car. Laser straight. Ready to go cruising or take it to a show. Whatever you want to do. Listen to that awesome rumble. That LM1 is fresh been rebuilt. It's got a rumble cam in it that's awesome. Beautiful exhaust. Like I said, Scorpion center lines that are completely restored. Look amazing. Check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. We're located in Wilson, Oklahoma. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Y'all check us out. Thanks. Have a blessed and awesome day.